Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today as we delve into the fascinating world of language. Today's word is awareness. It's a B2 level noun meaning knowledge of something. Simply put, awareness is the state of being conscious or knowing about something. We use it to describe our understanding of situations, facts, or feelings. For example, you might have an awareness of the time or an awareness of your surroundings. Now, let's explore some words that are similar to awareness. A great synonym for awareness is consciousness. For instance, he had a sudden consciousness of being watched. Another synonym is knowledge, like in the sentence, her knowledge of the subject is impressive. And a third option is understanding, such as, I have a clear understanding of the rules. Let's switch gears and look at some antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning. One antonym for awareness is ignorance. For example, his ignorance of the local laws caused him trouble. Another antonym is unconsciousness. You could say, after the accident, he fell into unconsciousness. And another word with an opposite meaning is obliviousness, like her obliviousness to the problem was frustrating. So, how can you use awareness in everyday life? Well, you might talk about your awareness of current events, saying, I try to maintain an awareness of what's happening in the world. You might discuss your self-awareness by saying, she has a strong sense of self-awareness. You could also use it when talking about health, saying, I'm raising awareness for mental health this month. Here are some usage examples. Environmental awareness is crucial for the future of our planet. She showed a surprising awareness of the situation. The campaign aimed to increase public awareness about the disease. His lack of awareness was quite noticeable. He developed a strong awareness for the impact of his words. And there we have it, awareness, a vital word for understanding our world and ourselves. To sum up, awareness means having knowledge of something, and we explored its synonyms like consciousness, knowledge, and understanding, along with antonyms like ignorance, unconsciousness, and obliviousness. It's a concept we use every single day. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. Before we go, please do subscribe to the podcast, and if you're enjoying the show, leaving a review helps others find us too. Remember, every little bit of support helps us grow. And lastly, I encourage each of you to create your own sentence using the word awareness and share it in the comments below this video. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.